Tango down, tango down. Bang, bang. Bright, Kelly, don't shoot, I'll pull it back. I said, don't shoot me, I'll pull it back. Yeah, all the way up. Don't shoot. I was all the way up there. On that side, aren't they? Because I was up in that room. Oh my God. Oh. Right hallway, right room, right room.
Yeah, there's a dude. There's a dude in the middle. Shot. Fucking hip flash. It's funny, I didn't know if that was called for them. I didn't know they hurt either. Woo! Holy fuck! Motherfucker.
Well, he's on the right, so can we get, is anybody all the way down the hallway? What?
On the barrier right there.
Yeah.
Nice.
You walked while I was firing at the guy across. That's still pretty funny though. Is he suppressed? I'll book it with you. Hit! God damn it, Kelly! And it's perfect for your short little arms. I don't think we can shut the shutter. Yeah.
Fucking book it. Is it door? It's door? Or is it flip?
I have no idea. Is that flipped our way? Yeah. Oh!
I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to smack that like button and subscribe. Make sure to click that bell notification icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Feel free to check out some of our other videos on the screen and to check out our channel. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Until the next one, I love you, and I'll see you next time.